In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add plugins on Woocommerce. Plugins play a crucial role in extending the functionalities of your Woocommerce site, allowing you to add new features that can enhance both the user experience and the efficiency of managing your online store. Whether you're looking to integrate payment gateways, improve SEO, or add customer support features, plugins are your go-to solution. So, let's dive into the process of adding plugins to your Woocommerce site. First things first, you'll need to navigate to your WordPress dashboard. This is where you manage all aspects of your WordPress website, and it's also where you'll begin the process of installing new plugins. The dashboard provides a centralized location for your site's content, media, pages, and importantly, plugins. Once you've logged into your WordPress dashboard, it's time to focus on adding new plugins. Look for an option that says Add New under the Plugins section. This might seem straightforward, but it's your gateway to expanding your site's capabilities. Clicking Add New brings you to a repository of plugins. WordPress features thousands of plugins, covering almost every feature you can think of for enhancing your site. Now you're at the exciting part, selecting the plugin you want to install. Here you have two main pathways. You can either browse through the featured, popular, and recommended plugins, or use the search function if you have a specific plugin in mind. For instance, if you're looking to add an SEO plugin, you might search for SEO to find plugins like Yoast SEO, All-in-One SEO Pack, and others. When you find a plugin that interests you, take a moment to review its details, look at the plugin's ratings, the number of active installations, and the last update. These indicators can give you an insight into the plugin's reliability and compatibility with your current version of WordPress. Additionally, read through the plugin description and check out its features. If possible, look at the reviews to see what other users have to say about their experience with the plugin. This research helps ensure that you choose the right plugin that meets your site's needs without causing any conflicts or issues. After selecting your plugin, you'll notice an Install Now button. Clicking this button will initiate the download and installation process for the plugin. It's a quick and seamless procedure, but your job isn't done just yet. Once the installation is complete, you'll need to activate the plugin to start using its features on your site. Look for the Activate button and click it. This step is crucial because installing the plugin without activating it means it won't have any effect on your site. Congratulations. You've successfully added a new plugin to your WooCommerce site, but before you dive deep into exploring its features, it's advisable to go through the settings or configuration options of the plugin. Many plugins come with customizable settings that allow you to tailor their functions according to your needs. Taking the time to configure the plugin can make a significant difference in how effectively it works on your site. A word of caution: while plugins are fantastic tools for enhancing your site, it's important to manage them responsibly. Only install plugins that you genuinely need, as having too many can slow down your site. Additionally, always keep your plugins up to date. Developers frequently release updates that improve functionality and security. Keeping your plugins updated ensures that your site remains secure and functions smoothly. Lastly, don't forget to periodically review the plugins you have installed. Occasionally, you may find that you no longer need a plugin, or there might be newer, more efficient options available. Regularly auditing your plugins helps keep your site optimized and secure. To wrap up, adding plugins to your WooCommerce site is a straightforward process that can significantly extend its functionalities. By carefully selecting, installing, and managing your plugins, you can ensure that your online store provides a great experience for your users, while also making it easier for you to manage. Whether you're looking to improve your site's SEO, enhance security, or add any number of other features, plugins are your solution to making your WooCommerce site better than ever. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. I hope this guide has been helpful. Don't hesitate to experiment with different plugins and discover new ways to enhance your WooCommerce site. Happy plugin hunting!